Destruction. An island left in ruins. A people devastated. On June 15, 1991, the small Philippine island of Luzon experienced such destruction. On this day, Mount Pinatubo erupted for 9 hours, producing the second largest volume of magma recorded in the 20th century. High-speed avalanches of hot ash and gas, giant mudflows, numerous earthquakes, and a cloud of volcanic ash hundreds of miles wide plagued the island as a result. Home to 3 million people, Luzon was left covered in ash with more than 800 lives lost. The impact of a volcanic eruption is momentous and felt worldwide.
Mount Pinatubo is one of 37 volcanoes located on these islands of volcanic origin. Volcanoes are mountains with a crater or vent through which lava, rock fragments, and hot vapor and gas have been erupted from the Earth's crust. Eruptions occur under the pressure of tectonic shifts and increasing temperature of magma. The impact of the eruption had long-lasting effects on the climate. These effects are brought on by greenhouse gas emissions and volcanic ash deposition. The ash plumes continued to spread during the days following the eruption. Within 10 days, the cloud had formed a nearly continuous band that stretched 11,000 kilometers from Southeast Asia to Central Africa. There was so much ash that it blanketed areas as far as the South China Sea, west of the Philippines. Layers of ash amounted to 8 centimeters thick over the ocean.
The violent 1991 eruption quickly made Mount Pinatubo one of the most famous volcanoes in the world. Not only did it produce a global cooling, it provided the opportunity for scientists to test their climate models. Scientists at NASA and the Philippine Institute of Technology and Volcanology studied the effects of the eruption on the atmosphere using their new fleet of climate observation instruments. Some of the instruments measured aerosol dispersion throughout the troposphere and stratosphere. Other instruments were able to measure changes in the solar radiation due to high concentrations of aerosols. The eruption served as a lab for testing new technologies and confirming the abilities of climate models to reproduce observed atmospheric conditions. One example was the Earth Radiation Budget Satellite. This specialized satellite measured the change in Earth's reflection of sunlight and the decrease in global temperature. When input into the general circulation model, these observations correlated with the observed cooling. By matching models with observations, the scientific community is able to improve their technology.
We can use past events such as the Mount Pinatubo eruption to predict how future events will impact life on Earth. Many of the same models can be used in the study of global warming projections by inputting different information from climate records. Growth, an island in restoration. The unprecedented scientific opportunities presented by the eruption are a testament to the valuable possibilities that may arise in the face of destruction. Mount Pinatubo was an advantageous event for the future of climate studies.